Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create an animated text zoom out of text effect. So initially what you want to do is go up to Effects, click on Toolbox, Titles, and let's bring in a text by clicking and dragging it down to the timeline, leaving it right above the video, and now elongating it to fit the entirety of the clip or the timeline. Now select it, go up to the top right corner, click on Inspector, click on Video, Title, and now let's give it a name. So I'm going to do Forest, Return. Actually, let me go back on that. And now let's give it a different font. I really enjoy Optima for this one. Now to create the zoom out of text effect, what we want to do is go down and you can see zoom right here. So I'm going to click and move it to the right and make it as big as possible. So that's the biggest it'll make it. Now what we can do is actually bring this player head all the way to the back. Now we're going to press on this keyframe right here and now move the player head forward. And we can end the animation wherever this player head ends. And now we're going to go back to the zoom and move it back. Like this, the keyframe is still active, and now we've created a zoom out effect. So let's check it out. So, thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.